I'm Reginald Gray. I live in a trailer, and I want to help you do the same. Even the best of us can make a dumb. When leaving port to cross the country, I set sail, still plugged in. It didn't end well. The cord detached, but it took my ground wire with it. Without a ground wire, one is susceptible to electrocution. So now I must get one of these into here. Wipe that damn smile off your face. This was a frustrating ordeal. First thing, take your square-top screwdriver, this one, and do some sweet ninja knife moves. Make sure to be careful. Use the driver to remove the plate screws. You may have to pry that shit off. Do so. There will hopefully be 3 wires attached. In my case, there is just that. Detach everything by loosening the screws. What came next was a series of annoying events. My girlfriend, who is much better with tools, tried to mod my 1970 receptacle. But it's from 1970, so that was a no-go. To the internet I went, part found, and ordered. Then there were a few sleepless nights without power. Hey look, a brand new receptacle. I missed the old school look, so I glued the old door onto my new one. You get the idea. Now you'll need your flat top driver. This one. You know the drill. Now to reattach, the white wire goes to the gold screw, the black wire to the silver screw, and naturally, the wiry coat hanger type thing goes to the green screw. This is way too micro and you can't see anything, so just be sure to attach them all. Screw the plate on. Now that is something to smile about. Let's plug in and give it a test. Kablamo. But geez, it all could have been avoided if I had just unplugged. Please let this be a cautionary tale. See you on the road, and I'll be sure to have an intact electrical receptacle.